Hello students. Now in previous video we have completed our lesson number 14 to the new year. This one is a poem which is written by V. N. Bhushan. Now here students there is question. Let's write. Remove the darkness of hatred with the love of light. This seems like a slogan. ये slogan के जैसा लगता है. Now make your own slogans on the following themes. Here some themes are given to you and you have to write the slogans about them. Like first one is saving tree. Here student, saving water. So you have to write such type of slogan like save water, save life. Keeping rivers clean is like clean river, prevent pollution, or pure water, pure earth. Against dowry, say no to dowry. Dowry means students, Dahej. Second students, read the poem carefully and write its summary with the help of the following clues. With the help of these clues, you have to complete the summary of that poem. Now the poet addresses the new year. He has always longed to be like child. He wants to be a friend, rosebirds, and gather honey. He wants to look and wondered at stars and open windows and doors to allow light in every nook and corner. He wishes to drive out all the darkness with light of love and become holy God. So students, this time you complete the summary of that poem, and when you write the summary, you add one more line is that the poem to the new year is written by V. N. Bhushan. In this poem, the poet addresses the new year. He has always longed to be like child. He wants to be a friend, rosebirds, and gather honey. He wants to look and wonder at stars and open windows and doors to allow light in every nook and corner. He wishes to drive out all the darkness with light of love and became holy God. So students, this is the summary of that poem. So this is you have to write in your fair notebook. Now students, there is one more question. Let's do it. This one is an activity. Collecting greeting cards of different festivals like Deepavali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Christmas, etc. and write 2-3 sentences about each in your notebook. कि दिवाली, होली, रक्षाबंधन, ईद, क्रिसमस, इस तरह के अलग अलग डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल्स की ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स को कलेक्ट करके उनमें से आपको 2-3 सेंटेंसेस जो हर फेस्टिवल है उनके बारे में अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. So you have to write it.